Stedi Type X Pro, what's in the box? I must say, what a box. This is by far the classiest, most elegant packaging I've seen for a spotlight ever. So you've got a bit of a user guide, welcome statement, all the signatures from the development team. One thing this tells me is these guys are proud of what they've made. They're obviously very proud of this product, and for what I've heard and seen, they should be. Got a box of all stainless steel hardware to bolt them together. Got a big box of wiring harness, so everything you need to put these spotlights on your four-wheel drive is in the box already. Got a couple of protective covers. The Type X Pros come with orange and grey colourings you can change out. There are a heap of other colours available too, so if you want a bit of a personalised touch, you can change them out. You look at the light itself, it's quite a big light, so it is a 9-inch spotlight, good for a kilometre, a little bit over a kilometre actually. When you look at it, there's a Stedi logo in the middle, there's a ring of floodlights and then 2 rings of spot. One of the first things I notice is, for such a big light, it's actually quite slim, so it should be easier to mount. It's definitely got a decent heat sink on it. The attachment points are quite thick, so you look at the bracket on the outside of that. Looking at that, there's about 8mm plus of alloy in it. But yeah, feels like a good light, feels quality. Can't wait to see them in the dark. Now the mounting brackets are a work of art in themselves. So again, really thick, probably 8 to 10mm in places looking at them. Very light, but definitely feels strong and sturdy. Yeah, they've got a stainless steel plate on them with a heap of detail. So the Stedi logo, the laser cutouts in it. It just looks very, very classy, different. I like it. Stedi Type X on high beam, so there is a bit of fog around. And also integrate in the SD3K 40-inch single row roof light. So as you can see, that lights up the fog right in front of the windscreen, so we drop that off. The spotlight's been a bit lower, a bit better for the fog. I've been using the Stedi Type X spotlights for a few weeks now, and I must say I'm absolutely in love with these lights. The quality of light is awesome, they look good on the front of the car. The quality of light that comes out of them is amazing. As far as the combination of lights with the Type X 8.5-inch spotlights and the 41.5-inch single row ST3K that I run, they couldn't complement each other any better. As far as I'm concerned, Stedi lights are still the best on the market, especially when it comes to quality good versus value. You'd be hard pushed to find better lights. Head over to Stedi, check out their gear, you won't be disappointed.